Hey, welcome back. In this video, we'll explore each expression in Terraform, which allows you to iterate over a collection of values and dynamically create resources or configurations. In Terraform, the each expression provides you a way to iterate over a map or lists and perform operations or create resources dynamically. It allows you to define multiple instances of a resource or configure resources with varying settings, such as creating multiple EC2 instances or configuring multiple security groups. With each expression, you can write more flexible and concise Terraform configurations. We'll create a new file called main.tf. Let's see how to use each expression with resources in Terraform. In this example, we have map variable named as servers that contains the names and IP addresses of multiple servers. In the AWS instance resource block, we use for each argument to iterate over server's map variable. This creates multiple instances of EC2 instance resource based on the map keys and values. Within the resource block, we use each object to access the current key and value. In the example, we assign the name tag with the key and the IP address tag with the value of each iteration. The each expression can also be used outside the resource blocks to dynamically configure settings based on a map or list of values. Let's consider an example where we want to create multiple security groups with different egress rules based on a map of port ranges. We'll create another file called resource.tf. In this example, we have map variable named port ranges that contains port ranges for different security groups. We use the for each argument in the AWS security group resource block to iterate over the port ranges map. Within the resource block, we access the current key and the value using each object. This allows you to dynamically create security groups with different egress rules based on the map values. The each object provides two attributes, each key and each value. These attributes allow you to access the current key and the value within iteration. In our previous examples, we used each key to access the key of current iteration and each value to access the value. And that's it. You now understand how to use each expression in Terraform. It enables you to iterate over maps or lists dynamically, creating resources or configuring settings. Happy provisioning!